हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडिया स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा इन्फोसिस शेयर्स hit lower circuit. LIC Murthy family lost big within seconds. Here Ricky details. LIC owned 28 crore 13 lakhs 85,267 shares or 7.71% stake in the IT firm at the end of December quarter, which were valued at rupees 39,073 crore as on Thursday closing. इन्फोसिस शेयर्स कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके Okay, so guys, Sudha N. Murthy, the wife of Narayan Murthy, owned 0.95%. Stake worth rupees 4,797.69 crore as of Thursday closing, which has fallen rupees 480 crore to rupees 4,317.96 crore. Narayan Murthy and Sudha Murthy, the chairman of Narayan Murthy Infosys. A steep fall in Infosys shares erased $1 billion out of the IT firm's market capitalization, with key shareholders such as Life Insurance Corporation of India (LIC) and Murthy family taking a big hit nationally within the first few seconds of trading on Monday, thanks to the IT giant poor set of quarterly results and soft final year 24 revenue guidance. Okay. LIC owned 28 crore 13 lakhs 85,267 shares or 7.71% stake in the IT firm at the end of December quarter, which were the worth rupees 39,073 crore as on Thursday closing. Following the Infosys 10% plunge on Monday morning, the holding value for LIC dropped to rupees 35,166, down rupees 3,907 crore within seconds. Okay. Infosys Limited, current market price 1,259 with a target price of rupees 1,500. 1500 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 1,259 एंड with a target price of rupees 1,500. This is the technical chart. Infosys Limited, sector IT, software, large cap. Okay, in the case of Murthy family, Rohan Murthy stake in the company was valued at rupees 8,444.47 crore, which has fallen to rupees 7,600 crore at last count, down rupees 844 crore. And Akshata Murthy 1.07% stake in the Bangalore based firm was worth rupees 5,409.58 crore as of Thursday closing, and slipped to rupees 4,868.66 crore, down 541 crore. Rohan is the son of Infosys founder Narayan Murthy, while Akshata is his daughter. Okay. Rohan is the son of Infosys founder Narayan Murthy and daughter Akshata Murthy. Infosys, big IT company, India largest IT company. Okay, Sudha and Murthy, the wife of Narayan Murthy, own 0.95%, strike Roth 4,797.69 crore as of Thursday closing, which has fallen rupees 480 crore to rupees 4,370.96 crore. Meanwhile, Murthy 0.46% stake in the Infosys Roth, rupees 2,080 crore, now against rupees 2,311.41 crore as of Thursday, down rupees 231.12 crore. Shares of Infosys hit lower circuit limit at rupees 1249.75 as a host of brokerage cut their the target price for the stock. The stock now commands rupees 5,18,466 crore in market capitalization against the rupees 5,76.69 crore as on Thursday. Okay. Among institutional, SBI mutual funds lost rupees 2,239.55 crore nationally on its investment in Infosys. It now holds Infosys shares worth rupees 20,157 crore against rupees 22,397 crore as on Thursday. ICICI Prudential Mutual Funds took rupees 1,226.79 crore in national hit. It owns rupees 11,041 crore with Roth Infosys shares. Meanwhile, the Sudha Gopalkrishnan lost rupees 1,324 crore and 9,53,057. Okay, the among the institutional, SBI mutual funds lost rupees 2,239.55 crore and nationally on its investment in Infosys. Okay, and it now holds such Infosys shares worth rupees 20,157 crore against rupees 22,397 crore on Thursday. ICICI Prudential mutual funds took rupees 1,226.79 crore in national hit. It owns rupees 11,041 crore Roth Infosys shares. Okay. Okay, Sudha Gopal Krishnan lost rupees 1,324 crore on 9 crore 53 lakhs 57,000 shares or 2.61% stake held in the company. She now owns rupees 11,917 crore Roth Infosys shares against rupees 13,241 crore in the previous season. Okay. And Nomura India said guidance was weak, finally 24. Okay. Okay, so guys, Infosys shares hit lower circuit LIC. Murthy family lost big within the seconds. Here key details. Okay, so guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.